Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good week. I am Jessica from Nimonik. With me is Michael Wolfe, who is a standards implementation consultant with the McDay Group. Michael specializes in creating and implementing quality management systems for a variety of industries, quality management systems that are both audit and user friendly. Michael is here today to share his insights on the new quality management system standard for the automotive industry, the IATF 16949 2016, which replaces the old standard ISO TS 16949. This is the first in a series of 4 videos, and in this video, Michael is going to talk about his pet peeve, which is huge quality manuals. So, Michael, what would you like to say about that?
Well, first, Jessica, thank you for the introduction. Thank you for Nimonik allowing me to participate with them in this venture. Yes, yeah, you are correct. As an auditor or an implementation consultant, when I go into a company and they hand me a 50 to 65 page quality manual, it's more like an encyclopedia in my opinion, but quality manual where it's a copy and pasted standard of the IATF version of the IATF standard. It's just not very value adding to the company, and so it is frustrating to me as an auditor to experience to be handed that type of a quality manual.
Why would you say, Michael, that it doesn't add value to the company?
It's a great question. A couple reasons. One, the quality manual is a company's first impression, so to speak, into their quality management system. It's the foundation of their system, and it doesn't tell customers who they are and what they're about, anything about their culture, or anything the way they add value to their industry or their customers. It doesn't tell their employees what the foundation of the system is and what the structure of the system is. Basically, it just says we acknowledge that there's a standard and we copy and pasted it into our quality manual to say that we adhere to every part of the standard.
All right. So basically, we can say that if an IATF 16949 auditor comes to audit the QMS, then if the first thing to put off the auditor that he can do is to hand a very big quality manual.
Yeah, that's actually very accurate. Auditors are actually beginning to get more frustrated about copy and pasted versions of the standard into quality manuals. We want to see quality manuals that actually give us a specific content of the foundation and the structure of a quality management system. And so, in my opinion, I would agree that a company implementing what we call a condensed quality manual is a lot more effective and a lot more value adding.
All right. Thank you so much, Michael, for this information. If our viewers from the automotive industry who are watching this video, if you would like to know more in detail the disadvantages of a huge quality manual, please read the article below. It has all the details. Also, if you would like to have your quality manual analyzed by Michael, send an email to getstarted@macday.com. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the creation, implementation, improvement of your quality management system based on IATF 16949 2016, then sign up for our webinar on Tuesday, October 31, 2017, and Michael would be there to share his insights on 16949 2016 as well as answer all your questions. And also do not forget to watch the rest of the videos on this standard and read the articles to know more about it. Thank you so much and have a great week. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica.